Alright, so I'm back with another video, and in this reaction video, I'm going to be reacting to TLC perform No Scrubs in Waterfalls with Latto. Alright? Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into it. Let's go ahead. Let me fix. Hold on. What? Hello. Hold on. Let me go ahead and dive into it. Trying to hold y'all up too much. Alright. Y'all ready? Alright.
Scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this.
You hear the live band playing. It's a live band. It's a live audience. They looking good. Let's see. Come on, TLC.
Also known as a buster, always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken.
It look like they got on Indian outfits. I don't like their outfits. It's ugly. Well, I ain't gonna just say ugly, cause that's not nice to say. But well, it is ugly, cause I don't like it. But to me, I don't like it.
No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, no. I don't want no scrub.
And I ain't say it's ugly, cause it's Indian. But it's just it can look better. Whoever put design it, I don't like the design. But anyway, come on with it, TLC. I ain't worried about your outfit. Come on.
There's a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Trying
She do look Indian. Her hair, chili hair, matched the outfit. Okay, okay.
to holler at hey car and you're walking. Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you're living home with your mama. Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you have shown it that you don't show love. Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money?
I mean, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about their outfit, they're not ugly. I mean, it's different because I'm always talking about something different. But it's not the same typical that you usually see with the booty out and all that stuff like that. That's not what I meant by it. I just don't like the design of it, but I like the colors and stuff like that. I just think it could have been. It's not ugly. Well, T-bars, I don't really too much like cause chilies don't look too bad. Yeah, but they sound impeccable. Their voice sound good. Chili always got that wavy, pretty hair. She look like she got Indian in her. So yeah, they look good.
Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Trying to holler
And they band live, and they band is on point. It's on point. It's live.
at me. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. Lonely mother gazing out of a window, staring at a son that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he
She sound good. She sound good. She sound real good. And I see Chili over there with the moves, hyping up. Okay.
makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gut. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Hey, welcome to the stage, Latto. Seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms. I haven't gone even.
Look at Latto. Okay. Latto look good.
Chase them now when God give me praise. Is it because my life
Let me see her outfit. Yeah, her outfit matches the theme and the aesthetic. Come on with it, Latto.
is 10 chaser? I pray out 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to it. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hope to come in true. Believe in yourself.
Chasing waterfalls.
Hey,
Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're
what's up, I heard?
I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Give it up for TLC.
They all look good on there. They look good on stage. They look good. Yeah.
Your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Okay. Okay. That was a nice, cool, little, smooth little performance. But y'all know, um, yeah, that was a nice, cool, little, smooth little performance. But I liked it. Lotto outfit hers looked a bit better. Um, I think theirs could have been a little bit better. It's not that the fact that you know that they could have been showing skin. I just think it could have been designed a little bit better. You know, but overall they did an excellent job. Everybody performed well. The music, the band, everything was swell. And I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, until my next video, thank you for watching. Bye.